Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing my cousin sister's makeup, and she has very dry skin and also it's really flaky. So let's see how it goes. She's really excited, so let's put on some makeup. And starting off with the oil, and she's shocked. Okay. So this oil is from Ayurvedic. This is the Kumkumadi Tailam, and I'll be just applying it all over her face with a flat brush and just let the oil sink into her overly dry skin till I do the eye makeup. So starting off with the brows, I'm just using a brow powder and just filling in the gaps. And I'll be brushing it off with the spoolie to just even out everything. And also on the other brow, and I'm just cracking some jokes. She was laughing. For the cleaning up the brows, I'm using Super Stay foundation, and I will be also using it as an eyeshadow primer, and just applying it all over her lid to cancel out any darkness. I just knocked off my ring light with the palette, so just doing it right. And then I just showed this is the palette I'm gonna be using. So I'm starting off with an orange shade on her crease. It is a very light muted orange color which will look perfect with her dress, and I'm just building it up in the crease. Then I'll be using a cleaner brush to further fluff out the perimeters of the crease because it was looking a little bit harsh. Now I will be using a charcoal grey color. It's not grey, it was not black, it was just the perfect shade. And I will be smoking only the outer V because she already has very deep set eyes, so I will not be doing full smoky eye, so only on the outer V, and I will be just blending it towards the inner part of the eyes. And also doing a little bit inside the crease, just a little bit. So for the lid shade, I'll be using a pearly white shade because I will be going on with the glitter anyways, so doesn't really matter, just to neutralize the lids. And I'll be blending it with the already present charcoal grey shade. Now time for the glitter. I'm just using silver glitter all over her lid, and then I will be using a smudger brush and I'll be smoking it with the the charcoal grey color. And the other eye is done. Now time for some eyeliner. I am doing a very small wing eyeliner and just cleaning up all the fallouts from the glitter, and also cleaning up the eyeliner a little bit. Now for foundation, I am using a mixture of 2-3 foundation to cater to her shade, and I will be applying it all over her face with a flat brush. I am using the same brush with which I already applied the oil, so that a little bit of oil is also mixed in with the foundation. And now with the sponge I will be just perfecting everything out. Just bouncing it on her skin. for concealer, I will be using the Swiss Beauty concealer on the usual areas that I use. Nothing new, nothing special. Then I will be using a brush to just spread those concealer. Then I'll be using a sponge to just blend everything in again. For powder, I'm using the Makeup Revolution banana powder, just a little bit on some strategic areas because her skin is already very dry. So yeah, only under the eyes, and I'll be dusting it off after I do the rest of the eye makeup. So for the under the lash line, I'll be just smoking it out and she's giving expressions. And I am using the same gray color and just attaching it with the already existing winged eyeliner, and I am using the orange shade to just smoke it out. Now for bronzer, I am using the iMagic bronzer on her cheeks. The color looks so pretty on her. The color was perfect for her, a very warm color. I will be contouring her nose a little bit with the same bronzer, nothing too crazy. Then for blush, I am using a peachy pink color on the apple of her cheeks. And now the setting spray, I am using the Allegral matte setting spray, and again using the sponge to blend out everything and take out the excess powder. Now I am highlighting her cheekbones. On her chin. And a little bit on the nose. Now applying mascara. This is the Colossal mascara from Maybelline. We can leave the eyes like this only. We do not need to apply falsies, but me being extra, I will be applying falsies. But for lipstick, this is from Vestige. I forgot the color. I will be mentioning it in the description box. I will be applying a gloss after some time, but now I am just applying eyelashes. This is from Root Cosmetics, the eyelashes. And the look is complete and she is looking absolutely gorgeous. Drop dead gorgeous, and the makeup looks perfect with her dress. And yeah, please like this video and also subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.